Hello YouTube and welcome to episode 9 of this Discord.js programming series. And in this episode we're going to make an XP system. So, first you want to open a message.js and you need to define the level information. So const level info equals client.db.get level message.guild.id message.author.id. Otherwise it will return an object which will be their default stats, so they'll be level 1 by default, they'll have no XP and they certainly won't have any total XP. So we got that done. Now we want const generated XP equals math.floor math.random times 16. This generate a random number between 1 and 16. So this will like randomise the XP system a bit. Now we can do level info .xp plus equals generated XP level info.total XP plus equals generated XP. If level info.xp is greater than or equal to level info.level times 40, so it'll be harder to level up every level you go up, again mixing it up a bit. Then we want level info.level to increment by 1, we want the XP to reset to 0, and I'm sure you want a message save leveled up. You are now level info.level and then obviously you're going to want to save this data, so await. You also want an await up here as well. Await client.db.set level message.guild.id message.author.id level info, and this will keep everything updated. Now we can move on to the command, the rank command. This is Blazing Fast, a cheap and reliable hosting company. They provide many services to suit your needs, including web hosting, VPS hosting and dedicated servers. They offer a range of VPS servers to suit your bot's needs, starting with 512 MB of RAM up to 16 GB of RAM. You can easily set up your new VPS, and Blazing Fast offers a range of different operating systems. If you're looking for Windows, you will need a 1 GB VPS and above. Perhaps €5 is too much for you? No problem. You can use our code VultreX to knock 25% off the price, dropping it to only €3.75 a month. Blazing Fast stand out due to their incredible 980 gigabit per second firewall, preventing all kinds of online attacks. Do not expect your service to go offline anytime soon. And if you're in doubt, just look at all these happy customers. So rank.js. Make this async since we're dealing with VultrexDB. Then you want the help for the help command and the command handler. Viewer members rank. Then you want the requirements for permissions. Doesn't need to be owner only. No user permissions are required, and for now there's no client permissions required. Now for the rate limits. I normally do 60 seconds, and the rate limit is put it to 5 on this one. Now you want to define the member. So first we try and get a mention, but if they haven't mentioned it, we'll assume they've provided an ID. So .cache.get args0. If they haven't provided an ID, then we'll just fall back to whoever the sender is. Now we want their data. So this would be await client.db.get, double check your unique key. So level message.guild.id, member.id. Now you want to import message embed from discord.js. Like so. Now we can do message.channel.send new message embed. However, the person may not have a rank, so if there's no data, we can do message.reply. This user does not have a rank. Now we'll set the author here, rank, member.user.tag, member.user.display avatar URL. Set the color to a material green. Add a field for their XP. And add a field for their level, which will also be inline. Now we can test our bot. So here we are in the testing area, so if I type hi, do my rank, hello, rank. As you can see, I've just leveled up just then. So hello, test, rank. I was unfortunate there and only got 4 XP. Hi, rank. So as you can see, the XP system is working. If I do, for example, Gavin's rank, he does not have a rank. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in episode 10.